host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a waitlist on Mailchimp. The first thing you want to do after you have created your Mailchimp account, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Create. After selecting Create, we're going to select Landing Page. After selecting Landing Page, you can type in a name for your landing page. So let's say, for example, I want to use Waitlist. So I'm just going to type in Waitlist 1. Then I'll tap on Begin. After you have tapped on Begin, you will be redirected to a new page. Once on this new page, you can see different templates that you can choose from to use. And you can select any one of these templates. What I would normally do is I'll select this one that says Grow Your List. After you have selected this template, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you're simply going to delete all of the sections. So you're going to delete all of the sections right here. So you'll simply tap on the trash can and you're going to delete them. After you have deleted all of the sections, what I want you to do next is you're going to open a new tab. And in this new tab, I want you to go onto canva.com. Canva.com is a platform that you can use for completely free, and they will be providing us with a stunning waitlist template that we'll be using on Mailchimp. So we're going to go onto Canva, tap right here, and you're going to type in waitlist. So let's do that real quick. After you have typed in that, better yet, you're going to tap on Enter. Then from here, you can scroll down and you can see different waitlists that you can choose from. There are numerous templates that you can select, but keep in mind that the templates that says Pro, you would have to be a paid subscriber to use that particular template. But there are numerous templates that you can use for completely free. Let's say, for example, you would like to use this template. All you'll need to do is simply select the template. After you have done that, you can scroll down and you can see different examples that are similar to this one that you could choose from. Then you're going to tap on Customize this template. After you have selected Customize this template, you could change the image if you want. By going over to the left-hand menu option, you could select Uploads and you could upload an image. You can also change the text and so on. So for example, we'll be removing this section, and let's say, for example, we want to change the date right here from July, and we are going to be changing it to August. So let us do that real quick. After you have done that, you could tap on Share in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on Download and you're going to select Download once more. Once it has been downloaded, I want you to go back into Mailchimp. And all you're going to do from here for me is you're going to simply select image right here and you're going to drag and place image. After you have done that, you'll tap on Upload an image. After you have selected Upload an image, you're going to tap on Upload in the top right hand corner. Then from there, you're going to select the image that you had created and you're going to tap on Open. And you can see that it is being added right there. Once the image has been added, as you can see right here, we are going to tap on Save and Close in the bottom right hand corner right here, the gray Save and Close. After you have done that, right below the blocks where you see blocks element, you are going to select Sign Up Form, and we are going to drag and place the sign up form. After you have done that, you can select the fields that you would like to add. So for example, we can add first name, as you can see right there. And if you like to add last name also, you can do that. And we're going to place the sign up form below this. So we're going to move this up. So let me delete the sign up form at the moment, as I want to place it below the image. So I'm going to drag and place the sign up form right there. And then you can make it a required. If you would like them to have to enter their first and last name, you can toggle on required right there. Once you're finished, you can also change the style. So for example, if we were to tap on Change Style, from here you could change the background color and so on if you want. You can make it less rounded, you can add a border and so on if you want. And after doing all of this, you can tap on preview in the top right hand corner to see how your waitlist landing page looks. And this is how it looks at the moment. So you can see that it does look professional, whether you're using a desktop device or a mobile device. Once everything is to your liking, you're going to tap on save and close in the bottom right hand corner. After tapping on save and close, you'll be redirected to this page. Once on this page, you'll be provided with a free URL, as you can see right there. And all you'll need to do now is tap on publish, and your waitlist will now be live. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe